Hi, welcome to Missologist. So I thought I'd do something kind of fun today, assuming my mic is working. Yeah, I think it is. Okay, thought I'd do something fun because we have a 3-day weekend coming up, and I also happen to have 2 Guava ciders because Press sent them to us as part of their cider club, which is totally cool. You guys should check it out. It's pretty fun. They send you like different things each month, and you can choose, as many or as few as you'd like. Anyway, I just thought it was cool because I sent us 2 Guava ciders, and so I'm gonna do a taste test on both of them. So the first one is La Familia Cider Company Guayaba Guava Cider. It is 5.2 ABV, and let's see. It doesn't really say much else except hard cider frescas inspired by old world recipes from Mexico. And it is crafted and canned in Clackamas, Oregon. So that's cool. And then the other one is Far West Cider Company. You Guava be kidding me. And I just honestly like that name a lot. I thought it was funny. And let's see, this is a Californian cider, from a 100-year-old family farm blended with pink guava. And its ABV is 6.3%. And yeah, I don't really think there's much else to say. Sorry, there's some cat hair and stuff on the top of this one. Oh, the joy of cats. This is why I'm glad I'll be pouring these into new glasses. So, okay, so let's dive in, shall we? I'm gonna put the Guava Be Kidding Me in this lovely Omdi Cider Fest glass, and I'm gonna be putting the Guayaba in the Full Sail Brewing Company glass. Okay, got our Guava Be Kidding Me, and we've got our Guayaba. I don't know why, but that reminds me of the Birdcage, because I feel like there's a song in there that Hank Azaria's or somebody sings on stage. One of the lovely women in that movie sings that has like Guayaba, da da da. I don't know. Anyway, that reminds me of that. I love that movie. If you haven't seen that, go see it. Robin Williams, Nathan Lane. It's hilarious. Okay, so you Guava Be Kidding Me. Here we go. Okay. I like that. It's kind of earthy tasting. I'm not really sure how to explain that, but it tastes, you can definitely taste the apple, you can taste a bit of the guava, but it tastes very plain. I don't know, earthy is the best way I can describe that, earthy. It's really good though. It's just interesting because it's a little more subtle in flavor, but it's really nice, and I could see this being like a really good drink to just sip if you're looking for, a fruity, refreshing one, but not too fruity. Yeah, it's nice. Okay. There's almost a bit of salt or something in there that I'm getting. And that might just be from the guava, I'm not sure. But I let it sit on my tongue a bit longer, and it almost had kind of a salt taste come up, you know what I mean? But yeah, I really like that. It's really good. So yeah, Far West Cider Company, you Guava Be Kidding Me, gets an A+, or at least probably a B+ or A-. Okay, Guayaba Guayaba. Alright, and again, this is from La Familia Cider Company. So this is supposed to be more kind of Mexican, I think. Yeah, okay. Oh, and actually, I will say this one is a higher ABV, and I think that is part of what I'm tasting in here, is the higher ABV. It tends to, sometimes ciders will, you can tell that they have a higher alcohol content sometimes. And so that might be what I'm tasting there. That earthy thing might actually just be, you know, more fermentation or higher alcohol content. Okay, so Guayaba. Okay, so, oh wow. This is definitely going to be one of your more traditional fruity ciders. It just hits you right away with the very citrusy guava notes. It's really nice. It's really good. It's really smooth. It's definitely a stronger guava flavor, in my opinion, than this one. But that's not a bad thing. I actually think I might prefer the Guayaba over the You Guava Be Kidding Me. Just because this is more my flavor profile. Having said that, I think they're both good. I think, you know, if you like cider, you should try both of them. But if you're less of a dry person, because I would say this is definitely drier. If you're less of a dry, sort of can taste that it's fermented person, you probably would like the Guayaba better. Again, having said that, they're both very good. Yeah, I do. Yeah, this one's just really good. It's got tartness and the citrus, and it just, I don't know, it tastes really good, guys. So, yeah, so that was my taste test of these two different guava ciders. I hope everyone has a very nice and safe Memorial Day weekend. I don't really know what people do on Memorial Day, barbecues maybe. But do be careful. And please like and subscribe and join my memberships that I now have. Pretty cool. We'll have exclusive stuff on there, like extra videos and just, yeah, awesome stuff. And the more awesome stuff I think of, the more awesome stuff I'll add. But you can become a member for as little as $5 a month. And you'll be supporting me and other, you know, showing your appreciation, and you'll be cool, and you get special emojis, and you get special little, like, chat symbols or something. I don't really know, but you get stuff, and it's cool. And you can say that you're a mixologist. And the higher you get in those memberships, the more perks you get, obviously. And I have merchandise. I'm gonna actually be creating more merchandise, shirts and shot glasses and stuff like that. So look out for that. But if you're a member, you get really awesome stuff. And if you're the highest member, which I think is Patron, you'll get a free Missologist box. You'll get some free merch stuff. You'll get a drink named after you. So just really cool stuff. And a shout out, obviously, on the channel. Because I love my supporters. Sorry, my arm itched. And I appreciate you all. And again, have a great weekend. Hope you're doing something fun. And I don't really know what else to say. People in the hallway. I don't know what else to say, but cheers.